The corrosion on this hydraulic pump is severe. We need to stabilize it before we attempt removal. It's worse than we thought. The calcification has completely frozen the chain links and the hydraulics. Salvaging this will be a massive undertaking. The limestone has crystallized around the track. We have to chip it away slowly. Finally, that took more force than expected, but the seal is broken. We can start the extraction. We're looking at significant pitting on the swash plate. The saltwater intrusion caused this valve to freeze solid. We're using the ultrasonic bath to remove the marine growth before the forensic analysis. Look at that. The valve serial number is still visible after 70 years underwater. We apply the abrasive paste and use this figure-8 motion. It's critical for achieving the precise flatness required for the hydraulics. As you can see on the dial gauge, we have about 5/1000ths runout. That's within acceptable limits for restoration. The pistons must be oiled and inserted with absolute precision to ensure the salvaged pump functions correctly. We're applying the final torque here. You have to listen for the click, otherwise the seal won't hold under pressure. We need to ensure the hydraulic levels are precise before attempting to power the tracks. The sight glass confirms it's almost full. Listen to that crank. We're finally getting some oil pressure now. Pressure stabilization looks good. The main lines are holding steady at 3000 psi. The pressure is holding steady. No leaks detected on the main hose fittings. We can proceed with the lift. Okay, bringing her forward slowly now. Watch the left track clearance. The hydraulics are responding perfectly now. This machine is ready for the salvage operation. The temperature is holding steady. We are ready for the next phase. We did it. She's finally ready to see the light of day.
Chúng tôi bôi một lớp dầu thủy lực mỏng để đảm bảo các vòng đệm trượt êm vào khối van.
We're installing the reconditioned manifold now. Getting the bolts torqued correctly is crucial in this environment. Engine shutdown complete. Pressure relieved and main battery disconnected. The system is secure. The piston shaft itself looks surprisingly good. We need to check the wiper seals for any microfractures caused by the calcification.
The recovery is complex. Once stabilized underwater, the challenge is lifting it without further damage. The engines and propellers hold vital clues.
We saturate the new filter and lubricate the seal. This prevents any dry startup when the engine engages.
Okay, ignition engaged. Now we watch the oil pressure closely. It needs to stabilize before we do anything else.
Okay, steady now. The hydraulics are holding the load. We can proceed with the lift.
She's running smoothly now. The restoration is complete. The differential corrosion pattern here suggests seawater ingress. The torque on the mounting bolts is within tolerance, confirming the seal held. The main hydraulic port is heavily corroded, so precise torque is essential here. Now routing the hose clear of the mechanism. We have to lift the tracks clear of the rock shelf before we can establish a stable path out. It's a delicate balance of pressure. Applying the anti-corrosion layer now. We need to be meticulous to ensure full coverage on the swash plate before capping the hydraulics. Ensuring the precision tools are safely packed is paramount. These gauges will provide the data we need for the structural assessment back at the lab.
The seals are holding perfectly. Good work, everyone.
We did it. The rescue is complete, and the artifact is secure.
Đã chốt xong điểm kết nối cuối. Giờ chỉ việc cuộn nốt mấy đường dây chính là ta có thể rút quân được rồi.
The recovery team relies on precise inventory management to ensure all specialized tools are accounted for before the main salvage operation begins. Once the cycle is complete, we drain the solvent and meticulously dry the basin to prevent any secondary corrosion on the parts.
The blade is up, moving forward slowly now. Watch the clearance on the right side. All right, bring up the stabilization reports. The posture looks solid. We are good to proceed.
Operation complete. We recovered the excavator in record time.
The structural integrity here is remarkable. After clearing the deposits, we focused on securing these access panels, ensuring everything is fully operational again.
These cables need to be secured before we move the heavy equipment. The excavator is still unstable.
Every piece of equipment, down to the winch cables, must be meticulously accounted for and secured before the next phase of restoration can begin.
Bringing her out now. The deposit on this track is nearly 500 kilograms. We need to clear this section before the support crew arrives.
The hydraulic system is finally secured. We managed to salvage most of the original fittings after weeks of work. Every piece we recover tells a story, not just of the machine, but of the men who built it.
We did it! We finally got her out. Look at that view.